Hi Taurus, this is your August month reading. So I'm feeling maybe I'm getting lots of Swatch energy for you. Maybe you're feeling stuck or time to open your eyes. Maybe you're looking for your options. Are you? Maybe if you're getting any thought process newly or opportunities, maybe you're thinking about the whole story which you have been experienced in a painful way, or if it is a prior awareness which you're taking, like if it repeats something like that, you're worried of some fear. I see, like you're feeling helplessness also, I see. And many Taurus people are, I feel you have a lot of knowledge which you are thinking logic way. Maybe rules and the laws about clear thinking, a strong communicator, you are a leader or a truth proof of blending mental spiritual pursuits. These are the elements which you have in your Taurus thing, which I see in your zodiac: bravery, courage. But you're sitting and waiting, making a wise decision with your intelligence about the future. I see this month deciding a lot of important things in your life, maybe in relationship, maybe in your career. Majorly, I see if people are making their life in a better way, like going ahead in strong way, like moving in a healthy manner, or in a for your eye, which will serve you for your highest good, which I see this also, like seeing for your highest good for the next level of your improvement in your life, or maybe the status which you want to have a very good status. I see like family situations are going good, but the thing you're worried about is the energies which are impacting you right now is surrounding you in a financial career. Maybe many people, few, like I got in love relationship, they're stuck, and few I got in financial stuck. But other few people of group I see having a good family time together in August. But this is, if it resonates to you, then you can take it, because there are three groups of people which I see here. One is happy family, which are leading their life in August month very happily, or moving, having a trip, beach side, or restaurant, movie, trip for a long distance scenery, something like that, to have a long distance scenery from like heights, like from viewpoint, like eye viewpoint sceneries, maybe the nature, enjoying the nature also. And maybe the past things which you, I see sudden bad news, or sudden something happened negatively which affected you, to not move on. Maybe you're holding and sitting your energy, maybe you're still thinking the past energy. Please come out of it and move forward. You need to heal yourself first. So maybe somebody is trying to give you a cup of love, or maybe you're rejecting, or you are trying to give them something like that, I see. Maybe they're still thinking, they are not being decided yet. um, the thing is, the financial thing you are worried of, I see. Few people are worried of career, to have a financial balance, I see here. Taurus is the thing, like using the intelligence for their highest good this month. Okay, thank you.